Andy, drill it now. If we were garbage, junk. He called us junk.
That's crazy. I should have seen this coming. It's Emily all over again.
The start was right here. What are you doing? Hold on. There's no time to be hysterical. It's the perfect time to be hysterical. Be hysterical now. Yeah, maybe. But not right now.
I know what to do.
What color is this, Steve? What color? What color is this?
Stephanie, wait. What about Woody?
Leave it. Leave it. What color? Blue.
Woody.
Blue. Good job.
What's going on? Don't you know this box is being donated? Under control, Woody. We have a plan.
What's this? Hi. Good job. How about this? What's this? What's this?
No.
Huh?
Putting you in the attic. How do we end up on the
What's this? No. Very good. How about this? What's this? What's this?